Welcome back, artists. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw a reindeer. That's right, a magic reindeer. It's so easy to draw. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Okay, so to draw our reindeer, we're going to use number 14 and shrink mine up just a little bit. I'm going to draw the eyes right here for our reindeer. And then we're going to draw the reindeer's nose. We're just going to draw a big shape like this and a curved line. That also becomes the mouth. Let's add a big nose right there. And of course, I'll let you decide how you want to color the nose in. Let's draw the mouth. We're just going to draw a line here. And then let's draw a line across and add some reindeer teeth. It's a very happy reindeer. So we have the start of the face. Let's add an ear. And we're just going to draw the ear right there. And then we can connect right back down to the bottom, or the top of the fore, the ear to the top of the fore. We need to add some antlers. Now you can do really simple antlers like this. Like that's really easy. Or you can get a little more detailed and you can try and draw a fun shape like this and then repeat that fun shape. I think that's what I'm going to do. And there could be some overlapping. So whatever you're comfortable with, there's always an easier way to draw something. This area here is going to be the reindeer tail. We're going to make a nice fluffy reindeer tail like so. And then we just need to close this shape in with a curved line like this. Hey, and there we go. We have the start of a reindeer. We just need to, well, pretty good start. We're almost done. We just need to add the legs. And I always say the legs are the easiest way to draw the legs. Think of French fries. French fries are fun shapes like this, but they can bend, and you can draw different types of French fries for your different types of legs. And look how fun those are. And you can even add some little motion lines to make it look as if this reindeer is running or flying. We need to color in the bottoms of the hooves. So we're just gonna darken those in. Just like that, you have a reindeer. And then of course you could always add some little magic reindeer sparkles as our reindeer sails through the skies. Now we need to place our reindeer in our Christmas scene. So where's our magic reindeer gonna go? Clearly flying above the rooftops there. Although it could also look like it's running across the hill there. Hey, I hope you had a blast drawing this reindeer character. Make sure you check out those free lessons at Harptooniacs. Click on the link below. I know you're gonna love it. I can't wait to see you there. Commercial-free art lessons and so much more. And I'll see you in the next drawing lesson.
Grab your pencil and your paper
Turn on your imagination!